Hi, here we're looking at the simplest entry mechanism there is. We'll see how the Prior Bar Breakout works and how to use two time frames together for better entries. Simple as that. The market makes a high or a low. Price breaks past it, the bot's in. That's the whole thing. As always, experimental software, not financial advice. Capital loss is a real risk. Backtest and live aren't the same thing. Long trigger equals the previous bar's high. Short trigger equals its low. Buffer defaults to 0. The trigger sits right on the edge. The level only updates once the previous bar is actually closed, not while the current one is still forming. Long and short work the same way, mirrored. Every closed bar redraws the level. Today's trigger isn't yesterday's. A level that holds a whole daily bar has been respected for hours. Breaking it matters more than breaking a 5-minute high. That's why the trigger comes from the higher time frame. Fewer signals, but stronger ones, and you can run more coins in parallel to make up for it. Once you're in, management works better fine-grained. 1 minute / 3 minute / 5 minute react faster than a whole daily bar. Higher time frame, where to enter. Lower time frame, how to manage. The higher time frame picks the entry. The lower one handles everything after. In the sidebar, you can choose use the same time frame for both signal and execution, or turn on a dedicated signal time frame, higher, daily, 4 hours, 12 hours, than the operating one, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, where execution, filters, and exits run. With a dedicated signal time frame, the trigger is calculated and updated there, while everything else runs on the operating time frame. One level a day with continuous minute-by-minute control, or, if you prefer, everything on the same time frame.